The Nikon Z7 is a high-end mirrorless interchangeable lens camera, built around a Nikon-designed 45.7 megapixel full-frame sensor, very similar to the one used in the popular D850 DSLR. Unlike the D850, the Z7 features an advanced on-sensor phase detection autofocus system, with 493 PDAF points, offering 90% vertical and horizontal frame coverage. The main imaging sensor is used for subject and scene recognition, which enables the Z7 to detect faces and body movement for more accurate metering and autofocus tracking. Autofocus performance is rated down to -3 EV with f2 and faster lenses, and in low light, an in-body vibration reduction system helps keep images sharp. Focus can be set by touch using the rear LCD or via the dedicated AF joystick. An electronic shutter silent shooting option is available, which could prove very useful to performance and event photographers. The Z7 is Nikon's first full-frame mirrorless camera, and the company has made an effort to preserve as much of the classic DSLR handling experience as possible. As such, the Z7 offers a large, comfortable hand grip, a top-mounted status panel, and an exceptionally clear and crisp 3.6 million dot OLED viewfinder. It also uses an EN-EL15 type battery, which is compatible with the D750 and D850, and features a very similar user interface to Nikon's high-end DSLRs. The Z7 is a very capable video camera, offering full-frame 4K video at up to 30p, and an option for 120p slow-motion HD capture. The Z7 provides a range of video-specific tools, including zebra stripes, real-time focus peaking during recording, and 10-bit N-log option.